Welcome dear children. Today we will see about a new topic in civics lesson, achieving equality. What is the meaning of equality? Nothing. Equality means treating every people equally. Have you heard people saying villagers don't have any manners, or girls with fair skin are more beautiful than those with dark skin? Why do you think they say such things? This is because some people form negative opinions about others. This means they have prejudice against some people. We have prejudice about people who we think are not like us because we feel they are lower in status. We judge them negatively and stop respecting them. When we form a bad opinions about someone or something without knowing the truth, it is called prejudice. People form prejudice about the color of one's skin or the way in which a person speaks or dresses. When we have prejudice about someone, we don't even like to mix with them. How can we separate the word prejudice? Pre plus judge. The word prejudice refers to prejudgment. Prejudice means having a bad opinion about someone without knowing the truth. Prejudice can be based on many things like people's religious beliefs, the region they come from, the color of their skin, their accent or the clothes they wear. The types of prejudice are gender prejudice. What's the meaning gender prejudice? Male and female. Next, racial prejudice. What's the meaning racial prejudice? Black or white people. Third one, class prejudice. Class, high class or low class, or rich or poor people. Next, disability prejudice. Disability means physical or mentally affected people, and so on. Causes for prejudice. Some common social factors that contributes to the rise of prejudice are socialization, conforming behaviors, economic benefits, authoritarian personality, ethnocentrism, group closure, conflicts. Now we are going to see about stereotypes. Stereotypes means a fixed opinion about someone. When prejudice gets stronger, it develops into a stereotypes. Stereotypes is a false view or idea about something. For example, you must have heard someone saying, boys never cry and girls are good in dance and music. This is because we have fixed ideas about what boys and girls should be like. If you think carefully, anyone, boys or girl, can be good at sports or music. There could be many times where we give a doll to a girl who might be more interested in cars. This is because we think that cars are only meant for boys or dolls are meant for girls. Next, we are going to see about inequality and discrimination. Inequality means difference in treatment. The different forms of inequalities such as caste inequality, religious inequality, race inequality or gender inequality give rise to discrimination. Discrimination means being treated unequally. Discrimination can be defined as negative actions towards people. Discrimination can happen on the basis of color, class, religion, gender, etc. Treating dark-skinned people differently from fair-skinned people. Giving more importance to people of higher than to those of lower caste and thinking boys are smarter than girls. All thoughts of discrimination. Thank you, dear children. Learn well, do well.